Hi guys, Mimi Footnip. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am unboxing a pair of shoes today that were sent to me by Rocket Man, and I opened the package. This was the packaging with my mailing address on it. So I opened it, but then I realized when I lifted up the box, it says Veronica Beard. So this is kind of part of the branded box, so I wanted to show you guys that. If you're watching and you would like to send me a pair of shoes to try on the channel, you can leave me a message in the comments and I will let you know how to do that. So I'm really excited for this. Rocket Man introduced me to this brand, Veronica Beard. I love it. So the box says, "Make it happen," and it is wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper. I'm gonna just kind of rip open, that's my style. And there is, I think, a packing slip and like the return policy, I guess. So that is really sweet and nice. And then look at this box, it is so sturdy. It is like, this is a beautiful box. I keep my shoe boxes, so I do appreciate a good box. Let's see what we've got today. I know that it'll be good. It's Veronica Beard, right? So of course it comes with the beautiful dust bag. Love that. And I just love Veronica Beard's kind of, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but she's got this brand has this beautiful animal print tissue paper, and oh my goodness. Oh my God, you guys, these are gorgeous. Look at these shoes. I love the little stiletto heel. Not too high, but definitely enough height to, you know, feel sexy. Really beautiful leather, so soft, really smooth, like silky smooth leather. Little bit of a grain to the insole. Ugh, I love a leather insole. You guys know this. Thank you so much, Rocket Man. These are gorgeous. Let me try them on. Ugh, such a classic, beautiful braided thong heel. They're so elegant and feminine. Check out the like square toed. It's kind of rounded off just a tiny bit, sort of like the Steve Maddens. Ugh. Nicely padded. Okay, let me slip my feet into these and we'll have a look and see what we think together. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're just like Cinderella shoes. I feel like my feet just slide in perfectly. I'm gonna stand up. Oh yes. These are gorgeous. I love them. I mean, what's not to love? Such a classic style. So comfortable, such high quality. I really love these. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give you a little view from all angles. I think these are gorgeous. I love these. Are these my new favorite shoe? Maybe. If you'd like to see an extended version of this video with more shoe modeling, check out the links in my description of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.